Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. Just glued to technology. Are you over the age of 60? Do you love Steely Dan music, but maybe a little bit offended by rap? You put the word the in front of anything that is part of the internet, like the Google, the AI, the Facebook. Actually, do you still post on Facebook? Does your story in this industry start with, when I started in this industry, I started by painting cylinders? Do you know what the NWSA is? Surprised I know. My parents told me all about it. Were you around when the world went from having one mouse to having two mouse? Or should I say mice? Do you have friends with these shoes? Were you around before the invention of a solo cup, but all too familiar with a Dixie cup at a water cooler? Do you look at this log cabin behind me and think, man, they really knew how to build them back then? Okay, maybe you're not that old. But if you answered yes to several of these questions, maybe even just one of these questions, you are who we are looking for. Young professionals of our industry are looking for your wisdom and don't know how to reach you. Text, phone call, fax, carrier pigeon, whatever it is, we are really looking for guidance from your generation, who are the people that built this industry on hard work and, most importantly, relationships, so that we can continue to carry on everything that this industry is to the next generation. So we would love for you to come and join us at the Young Professional Networking event at GAWDA SMC in San Antonio this year. If you're interested in kind of taking on a little bit of a fun mentorship approach to this event, it'll be about 2 hours of your life. You will get a lot out of it. I know our generation will get so much out of it. And I also know your generation loves an RSVP. So you can RSVP to that here, or contact me directly, marie@rmimfg.com. We can't thank you enough for everything you've done for this industry, and we would love to connect with you further. We hope to see you at GAWDA SMC. More information will follow about your role once you RSVP. Yeah, thanks for playing along with this video, and we hope to see you then. Thanks.